Hey everybody, Nick Locapo here from Penguin Magic to give you a closer look at Lucid by Roddy McGhie, a device that lets you do incredible vanishes, appearances, transpositions, changes, all inside of this little tiny Ziploc freezer bag. For example, we have a card inside of the bag, you just give it a shake and it completely disappears from the bag. It looks insane, and it works with anything that is flat and fits inside of one of these freezer bags. Now, inside the box, you're gonna get one of these bags already constructed, ready to go, right outside of the box. And just a couple notes on the bag here, it's designed to look like any ordinary freezer bag. These white strips here are dry erase so that you could even write on the face of it. So if you're gonna change a card into another card, like Queen of Diamonds into Nine of Clubs, you could write Nine of Clubs on here, just give it a shake and it would actually change. It comes set up, ready to go, and it comes with the first little like insert that you can use with it is a playing card that allows you to make things vanish or change, okay? But you're also gonna get inside of the box here a customizable gimmick that allows you to do anything that you can think of, right? So for example, I have another bag set up here that will go with a dollar bill here. Just give it a little shake and the bill completely vanishes or changes or reappears somewhere else, right? Sky's the limit with what you can want, with what you put in this bag. Again, as long as it can fit flat in the bag, you're gonna be good to go. And last but not least, you're also gonna receive a black art gimmick that will allow you to make cards appear, and you can put the card back into the bag and then completely vanish, which will be great for your social media, or it's good for in-person as well, as long as you have the right lighting conditions. But we included that in this package so that you had access to that as well. Speaking of this package, the tutorial on this box is incredible. The amount of routines, you're gonna learn routines that Roddy's been doing for the last 5 to 7 years when he first created this. There's a 2-card Monty routine that is probably my favorite thing to do with the Lucid gimmick. You're also gonna learn a routine that Roddy does with a signed card and a your card gimmick where the your card becomes the signed card in the bag. It's completely wild. Also, Roddy will teach you a routine using business cards where he puts a blank card in the bag, gives it a shake, and it produces his business card. So really, whatever you can dream up, you can do with Lucid, and you'll get everything you need in the box to do it. Again, it comes completely constructed, and not only that, you will get replacement bags as well, so that, you know, if you need to change it out, you can. It's all covered on the tutorial, so you don't have to think about any of it. But I will tell you, just last but not least, the durability of this bag is shockingly good. If you know anything about me or magic conventions at all, this bag right here, this bag that I am holding, is the same bag that I've used for every convention that I have ever demonstrated this trick in. And if you know conventions, that means I've used this bag 600, 700 times or so. And while it looks a little crinkly, I think it adds to the authenticity of the bag, and it makes it, I mean, the fact that it's lasted me this long is pretty incredible to me. So the durability of this product is also, I think, something to be considered. I love it. Lucid is an incredible trick, and I think if you pick it up, you will find a use for this. This is Lucid by Roddy McGhie.